Embrace uncertainty. It's the gateway to new possibilities. Your attitude determines your altitude. Choose positivity. Seek understanding before seeking to be understood. Let go of perfectionism. Progress over perfection. Find strength in vulnerability. It fosters genuine connections. Practice self-discipline. It's the key to achieving your goals. Listen to your inner voice. It knows what's best for you. Value experiences over possessions. They enrich your soul. Practice patience. Great things take time to unfold. Don't just exist. Live with purpose and passion. Cultivate resilience. It's your armor against life's challenges. Celebrate your progress. No matter how small, every step forward counts. Let kindness be your default mode of interaction. Nurture your mind, body, and spirit equally. They're interconnected. Remember to breathe deeply. It calms the mind and soothes the soul. Choose empathy over judgment. Everyone is fighting their own battles. Embrace change. It's the only constant in life. Find beauty in simplicity. It brings clarity and peace. Learn from the past, but don't dwell on it. Focus on the present moment. Practice gratitude. It's the antidote to discontentment. Be adaptable. Bend with the winds of change. Believe in yourself, even when others doubt you. Take risks. They lead to growth and self-discovery. Don't be afraid to say no to things that don't align with your values. Seek out opportunities for learning and growth in every experience. Don't wait for inspiration. Create it through action. Value quality over quantity in all aspects of life. Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. Be curious, ask questions and explore the world around you. Live authentically. Let your true self shine brightly. If you like the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you like the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.